Exams can be really stressful, but not the worst thing that could happen to you. Parents always make it difficult with their grade expectations. Friends don't make it any easier either. In this video, we will give you some hacks to overcome stress. Let's get started. Table is meant for studying and bed for sleeping. Always keep your desk clean without your phone, laptops and other distractions is the right approach. Study one subject at a time. Make a flexible schedule and plan ahead for the coming week. You can also refer to our time management tab to understand how the planner works and get a glance at the new paper pattern along with exam tips and tricks. Take 15 minutes breaks after time intervals of 45 minutes or so. It's a good idea to breathe in fresh air by taking a quick stroll outside, or listening to songs also works. Highlight important points while scheming. Make flowcharts, mnemonics, draw diagrams to remember better. Speak out loud instead of simply reading. Watch our videos for better understanding. Revise through quick recall what you have studied earlier so that you don't forget. After one lesson is over, carry out self-assessment. By doing this, you will understand what you know and where you're wrong. No caffeine. It's a myth that caffeine helps. Remember, water is your best friend. Sleep for 7 to 9 hours, and by that we don't mean in classroom. On the day of the exam, be confident, eat enough, carry water. Don't talk about syllabus or exams with your friends. Also, do not try to read at the last moment. Once you have the paper, read only first question. If you know it, answer. Otherwise, move ahead. Divide your time for each question. You can refer to our time management video for the same. Don't look at the number of supplements others take. You don't need to be the first one to submit the paper. Utilize the full time allotted to you. Once the paper is done, it's finished. Don't analyze your answers with others. Don't think much if you haven't lived up your expectations. Don't carry baggage of it. Give yourself enough time to relax before you prepare for next exam all over again. Most importantly, if you need help, reach out for it to family, friends and teachers. All the best!